Is mango good for weight loss? The king of fruits and weight loss. Mangoes, the undisputed king of fruits, are revered for their vibrant colors, intoxicating aroma, and undeniably delicious taste. But beyond their sensory appeal, mangoes pack a nutritional punch. This begs the question, can this tropical treasure aid in weight loss endeavors? Why mangoes might be your weight loss friend. Nutritional powerhouse. Fresh mango is a source of vitamins A, C, and E and has moderate amounts of fiber per recommended portion size. It also contains other components like quercetin, beta-carotene, and astragalin, which are antioxidants in nature. It is a fact that these nutrients contribute to a better health condition and can help in the regulation of body weight. Low in calories, high in fiber. Another type of dieting that has been widely practiced is the regulation of the amount of calories you take. Mangoes are fairly lightening. For instance, a cup of sliced mango has approximately 100 calories. This makes them a great snack for everyone, especially those who are looking to shed some pounds, as they do not feel like they are missing anything when taking this snack. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. This helps maintain a calorie deficit, essential for weight loss. Natural sugars for energy. Although they are fruits with natural sugar content, they are also beneficial in allowing the body to control blood sugar. This is opposite to the effects that are caused by the processed sugars, because the mango complements natural sugars, which release energy gradually in the body without the fluctuating glucose levels. It can aid your body to produce energy that results in good time regulation with regards to undertaking exercise activities during the specified period. Boosts metabolism. Mangoes are also rich in vitamin B6, which is very vital in metabolism of fats in the body. Metabolism refers to the overall rate at which the body utilizes calories for any activity, regardless of one's level of energy expenditure. Therefore, a faster metabolism is an advantage because it enables the body to burn calories even while at rest. Mango can help you to kickstart your metabolism to enable you shed those extra pounds if you consider it as an everyday staple. Hydration and detoxification. Drinking so much water is important in this program, and mango helps in this aspect as well. These fruits have a very high water composition and therefore help in the reabsorption of water in the body. Also, mangoes are packed with antioxidants that can cleanse your body, removing the toxins that hinder weight loss. Improve gut health. The fiber and prebiotics in mangoes contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut environment has been linked to improved metabolic function and weight regulation. How to integrate mangoes into your weight loss plan. Snack smart. Pair chopped mangoes with a handful of almonds or yogurt for a satisfying and fiber-rich snack that curbs cravings. Salad. Elevate your salad with a touch of sweetness and a pop of color by incorporating chopped mangoes. For a refreshing and healthy drink, try infusing water with sliced mangoes for a touch of natural sweetness and a boost of vitamins. Create a vibrant and healthy salsa by combining diced mangoes with red onion, tomatoes, cilantro, and lime juice. Smoothies. Mash mango, a spoon of yogurt, spinach, and a banana for a yummy and healthy drink, a smoothie. Breakfast. Add diced mangoes to your morning oatmeal or smoothie for a delicious and nutritious boost. The final verdict, a balanced approach is key. While mangoes might not be a magic weight loss fruit, they can be a valuable addition to a healthy and balanced weight management plan. Remember, portion control, a diverse diet, and a focus on overall health are crucial for sustainable weight loss. So enjoy the king of fruits in moderation, alongside a healthy lifestyle, and witness its potential contribution to your weight loss journey. After all, a healthy and balanced approach is the true recipe for success.